Starting here, because they're highly visible, we have two of our Starfire 7000 receivers. We use two for a very high quality, what's called a wide baseline RTK GNSS. That goes into our localization. In the story of reuse, we look around to the side, you see a stereo camera here, and these are very similar hardware to what's used on the autonomous tractor. So we have 6 stereo cameras on this machine. We're often experimenting and testing new things, but that's how this machine is configured. You can't see it now, but up on top of there in that yellow box, we have a couple of our vision processing units, which are the ruggedized computers that are used on the autonomous tractor, as well as some of our other equipment. See another stereo camera down here below the roof line, looking off in this area where we're standing, as well as one that looks forward. And of course, we have the same cameras as you can see from the side on the other side, as well as one stereo camera down by the reverse camera. The fact that I want to point out that's exciting about this is that we're using so much ruggedized Deere hardware that already exists in other equipment in there. So, this doesn't have a lot of one-off hardware running inside there. It's mostly a bunch of things from John Deere, both hardware and software, that are already existing in our autonomy stack, and we connect them together and make them work on this machine form. But just like you or I would while driving this truck, you can kind of think the first stage is localizing the machine, so determining where we are on the site, and we have an understanding of that site's map. So positioning ourselves on the site, creating an understanding of the pose of the machine, so its articulation, its roll, its pitch, and then moving up from there, we, like humans would, have a 360-degree view around the machine, actually a lot better than just looking in the mirrors. And in each of those frames, we are running a segmentation algorithm, a deep learning algorithm that identifies what something is in each area of the image, and then also another algorithm that positions those in 3 dimensions, positions things in 3 dimensions. That gives us the situational awareness that the machine needs to be able to navigate and respond to changes in the environment.